All right, folks, we're almost there. We're very close to the finish line. This is Module 16 for MIT 822, the reflection. First of all, what makes something interactive? In my opinion, in a word, it's manipulation, the ability to influence the experience in some way. So that if you are working on it and I am working on it, we can have two different experiences on the same activity. Another way of looking at it is something that is interactive centers around collaboration, the ability to work with others. And again, I think that makes it so that two people can have the same thing going on but have a different experience with it. And I think that's key for something that's interactive. A web-based tool, I would define that as an application or program that you have to access using the internet rather than just what's on your computer to start. So for example, the program that I'm using to film this, Screencast-O-Matic, that could be considered a web-based tool because I can access it using the internet. And one of the most useful tools that I think I've seen in this class was very early on we used Androidify to create a mini-me basically. And I think this is a great way for teachers to get to know their students and get to know the students' personalities and the things that they find interesting much quicker at the beginning of the year. I see myself using this as a way to call on students that's fun, it's creative, it engages students and gets them excited about what we're doing. I also think it's a way to rethink seating charts. I think it's really cool to use a GIF that is active instead of just using a name for a seating chart. Some of the pros, I think it's fun, it's personalized, there's a lot of different options and ways that you can use it. One of the cons that I would identify is that students might produce something that's a little bit inappropriate for a school setting, and I think this is only possible because Androidify has so many diverse options and choices for how they want to set up what they're doing. So honestly, I think that's a very small problem and a very easy one to overcome. So in conclusion, those are some of the tools that I think are useful and interesting, things like Androidify and Screencast-O-Matic. It's been a great semester. Thanks for watching.